So it might come to no surprise to most of you that I have no idea what I'm doing in the kitchen, because historically I've eaten 99.9% of my meals at a restaurant. And I know that people like pizza. I like pepperoni pizza. So I know, basically what I'm saying is I know that I like pepperoni, and I know that I like macaroni and cheese. So I'm making Velveeta shells and cheese because I'm not making anything from scratch. That would, you know, so ta-da, ta-da. And yeah, in the background you see these pepperonis I made, right? And then over here we got some pizza sauce. Getting on from the can here. I myself don't yet know what it's gonna look like in the end. If I'm just gonna put the sauce on the mac and cheese, or if I might just like get a spoonful of mac and cheese with the pepperonis mixed in and the hot dogs, and then dip it in the pizza sauce. Maybe the hot dogs wasn't a good idea. I might not put those in. I don't know. I'll let you know how it is in the end. This is a very important step. My body is my temple, so we have all these pepperonis that are greasy. We can't just put that grease inside our temple. So we gotta pat that down just a bit, little pat. See all that preventative healthcare? Now we're gonna see what happens. I mean, I cooked them, baked them, whatever. They were in that oven over there, on a setting that has heat coming from the top and the bottom. Hopefully they'll crunch up, and then when I pour it in the mac and cheese, it'll be like evenly distributed, right? Maybe? I don't know. Oh God, maybe I'm in over my head. Okay, so I used the wrong verb. I remember one time reading a recipe for guacamole that you fold in the ingredients. I should be stirring while I do that, but I got a phone. And so yeah, look, there's the pepperoni going in, folding. I'm folding in the pepperoni now, because I'm a professional. Here, now it's folded in. Should I fold in the hot dogs? I don't know. They're still here. You know, I don't think they're Nathan's hot dogs, by the way. I'm not a behemoth. They're kosher. I don't think hot dogs go with pizza sauce. Oh, torn. What to do? Sorry. Hot dogs. My mom taught me not to make hasty decisions. I'm not sure about those hot dogs, so I'm having a cup of coffee. Enjoying my coffee. I decided to use one hot dog, so I'm folding in. I'm folding in one hot dog. I mean, I made them, so I think two might be a bit much, but I made them, so I use a one. Ladies and gentlemen, I've created a masterpiece. Slow pan. Sorry, no look, slow pan. Complete with sauce dribble right there. See that one? Yeah, okay. So, you see those lines. It's because I'm a professional. Okay, still haven't tasted it. So let's see what that's like. Yeah. Alright, shells and cheese and pepperoni. That's my washing machine. It's done. Shells and cheese and pepperoni and hot dogs and pizza sauce. Get a little scoop of that pizza sauce in there. It tastes exactly how it sounds. It's not... Like, honestly, I thought it was gonna really suck. It's kind of good. Like, I would say... I don't know. I was gonna say it's better than normal shells and cheese. Maybe it's not. No, it's good. I think the pepperoni's a bit much. Yeah, the pepperoni's kind of strong. You don't even taste the hot dogs. The pizza sauce is good though. You know, with a touch. Maybe I kind of went overboard with the whole can. I'm not gonna be able to use all that per jar. Whatever. I'll figure it out. So let's recap and talk about what we learned about today's brunch. The coffee was great. Still is. Would I eat this again? I would do it with, I would add the pizza sauce. No hot dogs. Probably also no pepperoni. Was today's brunch a failure? Well, no, because we ruled out one more crappy option for a possible brunch. This would be a great time to mention that I'm available to come and cook for you and your family. You know, anytime. I do parties, kids parties. It's all good. So, do your thing, world. Cheers.